Hi, today we're going to be making some egg muffins for breakfast. They're high protein, quick and easy. They last up to a week in the fridge and you can just grab and go in every morning. Hi, welcome to Sunday's World. Today we're making breakfast egg muffins, or basically egg cups. So that requires us to use some eggs, bell peppers, cottage cheese, and spinach. You can put whatever vegetables you want in it, but this is what we're using today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 8 eggs and 1 cup of cottage cheese in a blender. I'm going to mix it. This is the eggs with the cottage cheese blended up. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste, and you can decide how much you want as well. So what I'm doing here is I have a muffin tin, and so I grease the bottom, as you can see, with oil, so the egg cups will come out easily after I bake them. And so now I've also on the side, I've cut my vegetables up. So again, I used some spinach, green bell pepper, and some baby red bell peppers. And so I'm just gonna line the bottom of the baking tray with them so that it's easier when I pour the actual egg mixture in. Put a little bit in each of these. And you can put whatever vegetables you want in here. This is just the 3 that we had available. So this is all the vegetables in the tins, and so now I'm gonna pour my egg mixture into the tins as well. I don't wanna fill it all the way, just probably halfway, because the mix is gonna rise when it bakes. So just be mindful of that when you pour them. So I filled the trays. I may have put a little too much in each one, but that's fine. They'll still bake. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven for 350 for maybe about 20 minutes, and we're gonna see how it cooks. Okay, this is what it looks like out of the oven. I did bake it for 20 minutes at 350, and it did a pretty good job. And they're pretty good. I put oil around them, so they should be easy to come out of here as well. They're high protein, there's cottage cheese in there, and the eggs, which makes it a relatively easy breakfast in the morning. Just put them in the fridge, they last up to a week, and you can just grab and go. But thanks for watching.